If you're looking for a simple toaster oven that actually gets the job done, this one might surprise you. This is the Hamilton 6-slicer toaster oven with the easy reach low top door, and I love how accessible it is. I'm using the bake option here. It heats up quickly and has a temperature range for 150 for 450. Perfect for everyday meals, reheating leftover, or a small batch cooking. It fits 6 slices of toast or even 12-inch pizza, so it's spacious without taking over your counter. The roll top door is honestly the best part. It lifts up instead of dropping down, so it doesn't get in the way or take up space. If you want something simple, powerful, and easy to clean, this is a solid everyday toaster oven option.